So I'm going to show you how you can buy that Monowear Deployant clasp. So you will go to their website, monoweardesign.com. Over here they have all of these watch bands that they sell, and the one that I chose for you guys on this video was the leather deployant band. They have the contemporary leather band, they have this classic, they have the Saffiano, which is more like the butterfly clasp. So you can choose to view all of them, or you can choose the leather deployant one, which I just showed you. And there's a number of different items here. If you're interested, you can definitely take a look at that. But if you want that leather deployant one, you will just click on here. And then, as you can see, it's retails for $65. And they've got a nice instructional video and some pictures of how it looks. You can choose the band color, either desert, brown, black. This is the one that I had, by the way, the black one. And or you can get the navy, which is the dark blue. And then you choose your watch. The watch color will help you customize what kind of metal band you want. So if you have, like I have a black stainless steel PVD coated Apple Watch, I will choose the space gray aluminum one, which gives you this dark stainless steel look in black that matches with your watch. If you have a polished silver watch, you will go for I'll go for the silver stainless steel, and then you can see it changes to a silver stainless steel buckle. So it really depends on what watch you have. They have for gold as well, series 1, 2, and then the gold for series 3, 4, and 5. They have the silver aluminum style. So depending on what watch you have, what size you have, you can see here you can adjust the size also. You can go for it. If you have series 3, 42 mm, 44 mm is what I would choose. If you have the 38 mm, you can go for the 38 mm/40. There's the same watch bands, basically. It doesn't make any difference. And then you can also check this compatibility size guide. Right now you can see that the silver stainless steel option is kind of out of stock, but hopefully that should get back in. And then they have all these instructionals. They have the reviews process. So what I do is I would just choose, let's just choose something that's in stock right now. For example, let's take the black 42 mm, add to cart, and then let's go to the cart, which is over here. You guys are on the shopping cart. You will choose the quantity. It shows the price $65 right now. Now keep in mind, if you want their discount, if you subscribe to their newsletter by putting your email in here, they'll email you a $10 off your first order coupon, and then you're going to apply that on the next page, which is the checkout window. And then you'll put your gift card discount code in here. It'll take $10 off, making it $55. And then there's obviously going to be some shipping costs associated with it. When I got mine, there was a Mother's Day discount going on, which was 20%. So I put in the code MOM20 at that time, and I was able to knock $13 off of $65, which made my total $52. But then you add $5 of shipping, then that made my total come out to be $57. So right now, let's say if you choose the $10 off, it'll take it to $55, but then you have to have $5 of shipping. So at the end, it'll cost you around $60. So that's pretty much how you're gonna get these. I would recommend giving them a look on their website. I understand if you guys are not interested in it, but yeah, do take a look if this is a style that you are interested in.